Hey guys, welcome to Innovative Learning. This is Professor Manish Narayan. Today we're going to be talking about evaluating expressions. Okay, very similar to PEMDAS, but we first substitute the variables with the right values and then solve the equation. Let's get started. Problem number one, we have y divided by 2 plus x. Y divided by 2 plus x. Oh, let me switch over to my pencil. Y divided by 2 plus x. Use x equals 1, y equals 2. So the idea is replace x, wherever you see x, replace with 1. Wherever you see a 2 for y, replace it. All right, so y I'm going to replace with 2. So we have 2 divided by 2 plus x, which is 1. Okay, and then again, we apply PEMDAS here. So we start with division, right, before addition subtraction. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 1, and we end up finally with 2 as the answer. Okay, great. Problem number 2, I'm going to replace a with 10, that variable a with 10, and I'm going to replace, wherever I see a b, I'll replace it with 4. Okay, so let's solve that. So when a equals 10, I substitute a equals 10, copy the rest of the equation, minus b, which is 4. Okay, PEMDAS, so addition subtraction, looks like we have subtraction only. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Remember, one step at a time. And finally, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. All right, pretty simple. Let's move on to number 3. I'm going to replace p with 5. All right, p with 5. So I have 5 to the power 2. Okay, plus m, and m I'm going to replace with 1 here. Okay, so we have 1. Remember, PEMDAS says exponents before addition and subtraction. So 5 squared, remember, is 5 times 5, which is 25, plus 1. And finally, 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. Okay, 26. Problem number 4. I'm going to replace y with 3 and x with 1. So y is equal to 3, so I just substitute it in. All right, plus 9, I copy the rest of it, minus x, which is 1 here. Perfect. Apply PEMDAS now. 3 plus 9 is 12, minus 1. And finally, subtraction, 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. All right, let's move on to some more intermediate or advanced problems here. Okay, let's look at problem 21. Again, copy everything and replace the variables. So k I'll replace with 3, h with 2. So that equals 12. I copy the constant there. 12 times k, which is 3. Okay, 12 times 3 minus h, which is 2 squared, right? So 2 squared. All right, let's apply PEMDAS. On this side of the subtraction, we have 12 times 3, so that's 36. And remember, I take care of exponents, so 2 squared here is 4. And finally, 36 minus 4 is 32. All right, so it looks advanced, but remember, it's easy once you apply PEMDAS and the step-by-step process. Okay, so let's look at number 22. Replace y with 5, x with 6. So let's start. Y is equal to 5, so I have 5 divided by 5 plus 1. I copy the rest of it. Plus x, I replace with 6 here. Okay, so that's 6 divided by 6. All right, be careful and apply PEMDAS. Remember, addition, subtraction, or multiplication, division come before addition, subtraction. So let's take care of this 5 divided by 5 first and the 6 divided by 6. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. I copy the rest of it here, plus 1. Plus 6 divided by 6, bring it down, that's 1. All right, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's equal to 3. All right, let's move on to number 23. I replace z. Now there's 3 variables. Remember, it looks like it's complicated, but apply the same process. Z I replace with 6, y with 5, x with 2. All right, so copy the rest of it down. 6 divided by 6, let's bring that down here. Plus z, which is 6 over here. Okay, plus x, which is 2. minus y, which is 5. All right, PEMDAS, right? So division first. So I have 6 divided by 6, which is 1. Copy the rest of it. Remember, one step at a time. 2 minus 5. All right, so 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 2 minus 5. And finally, we have 7 plus 2 is 9 minus 5. And 9 minus 5 is 4. Perfect. All right. Problem number 24. So again, we have 3 variables here and 3 substitutions that are going to take place. So let's start. Y I replace with 4 here. So 4 minus z. Z I replace with 4. Plus, look at this expression here, xz. That means x times z. So x I replace with 3. And I put a multiplication sign, right? If you want, multiplication like that. In algebra, we also use dot that represents multiplication. I'm going to use times operator here. 3 times z, which is 4, okay, divided by 6. All right, let's start. So remember, PEMDAS first. So copy the rest of it. Multiplication, division come first. So here I'm going to say 4 minus 4 plus, so 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 6. Remember, one step at a time, don't rush. Again, copy the 4 minus 4 plus, remember division comes first here, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Now apply addition subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is 0 plus 2. And finally, 0 plus 2 is 2. All right, thanks for watching Innovative Learning. Hope to see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. And again, have fun. Thanks.